No,
Do not resist, please.
No.
Do not resist.
Please, don't do this.
Do not
No.
resist. Do not resist.
Oh my God, no.
Just keep your hands behind your back, please.
No. All right.
Ma'am, do you need any ambulance or any medical services?
I don't.
Okay.
No, I just want this thing to go.
At this point, the officer has barely started asking questions, but noticed something unusual already. The driver can't clearly explain where she came from, where she's going, or even what happened moments ago. For investigators, that's a major red flag. Is this confusion from shock, or is something else causing it?
Away so I can get.
Well,
If you don't mind. I just live across the street.
Okay,
I
well,
don't
the
know
car's...
what happened. I'm kind of shook up.
Okay, just sit tight for a sec, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Where are you coming from?
Right down the street.
Where's that? Just sit tight, okay? Your car can't drive. It's got a broken axle. Did you hit your head at all?
No,
Okay.
not at all. Can you get this off of me? Like, freaking me out. I just live down the street.
Okay.
I just want to go home.
Okay, well, we're going to try and facilitate that, but we got some
What happened?
stuff we got to do.
What the fuck happened?
Well, that's what I'm hoping you can tell me.
I don't have an answer for that.
You don't have an answer?
No.
Okay, well, where were you? Let's try to work this out. Where were you coming from?
Down the street.
Where's down the street? What road were you on? Are you on this road or this road?
I don't even understand what happened.
I'm trying to work this through with you so I can figure it out. Do you know if you were on this road here?
I know I was on this
You were on this road here?
That's correct.
Okay, where were you coming from?
Down that road.
Okay, where down that road? Was it a building? Was it a dance?
It was just a road.
But
yeah.
where were you? What were you coming from? A house? A business?
A business, perhaps?
What kind of business?
That was so long ago. I mean, what are you asking for?
I'm trying to figure out how we got to this position that we are in. What building are you coming from? What business are you coming from?
I wasn't coming from a business. Look.
So you left your house earlier and just drove around?
Yes. Could you please? All right. I'm upset.
I understand, and you have a right to be. You're just involved in a car crash. I understand.
I don't even know who the car crash would have been.
You have no recollection of being in a car crash? All right. Do you have insurance?
Yes.
Can I see your insurance?
Yeah. If I could get into it.
Do you want to go on the other side?
Listen closely to the officer's reaction here. When someone involved in a serious crash has no memory of the collision and struggles with basic questions, officers immediately begin considering impairment. The challenge now isn't just figuring out how the crash happened. It's determining whether the driver was actually capable of driving safely in the first place.
Oh, you can pull this out. Yeah, you can have whatever you want.
She has no idea she's coming from. She doesn't even know she's in a car crash.
No?
Two, can you roll medics just to check out one of these drivers here, please? Just come on. Why don't you step out so I can cut this out?
Well, I don't know how to do this.
I'm going to cut this out, but I don't want to poke you with the knife. So step out of the car for me real quick. Just stand over here with my partner.
What happened? Seriously.
We're trying to figure that out. Stand over here with my partner.
This is ridiculous.
Why don't you stand
Hang
over
on
here?
a second. Let me catch your breath, please.
Okay.
You have everything you need in here.
Ma'am, I'm not going to go through all your paperwork. Can you please step out of the car and stand with my partner here so I can cut this out for you?
I'm not feeling well, so.
Okay, I have medics coming to check you out.
I don't need medics.
Well, you're involved in a car crash. You have no recollection of being in a car crash. You don't know what happened, and now you're saying you're not feeling well. So let me cut this out. Stand over here, please.
I can't.
Okay, well then I can't cut that out for
Because
you.
I'm 63 years old and I can't.
Okay.
I can't get up.
Do you have any medical disabilities or any mental health issues?
Really, you guys?
What?
Oh, please, come on.
What?
What are you talking about?
Oh my God, you guys. This is ridiculous.
What way did they say she was coming?
She was going to turn. She was going east, trying to turn north on RSG. She was.
She was going east, trying to turn north up here.
Yes. And this girl was just going west.
Okay,
minding her
and
business.
that's why that makes sense then. Because she's saying she came from over there.
All right, and I'm just going to take
Oh,
this, get
sorry,
your
I have
information
that.
down in
Oh,
a second.
My bad.
I didn't do anything to that guy.
Okay.
Do you see anything
Once
in
again,
my car?
I wasn't here. Yeah, I see your airbags deployed, so that's. I mean,
That's
that's messed up.
I'll take the crash part of this.
She's a refusal. We can't take her. Obviously,
She's refusing.
Refusing. She seems like, you know.
Medically, she seems fine, but
she can answer all her questions, so we can't take her.
Except for the crash part.
Your car's a little, it's quite messed up.
you've got a lot of
Here.
damage on your passenger side. All your airbags are deployed.
Brooke, why don't you step out of the car? Let me show you something. Step out of the car. Come here. I know.
As you're getting out, I'm gonna get your signature real quick. That's okay with the officer.
Yep.
Do you want that? Your driver's license?
I actually have
You got it? Okay. All right, real quick signature. This is letting me know that, hey, we came to check you out. You don't want to go.
This is where the investigation takes a critical turn. The officer directly asks about alcohol, drugs, and prescription medications. Notice how every answer is a quick denial, yet her behavior continues raising concerns. If you were standing here watching this unfold, would you believe this is simply stress from the crash?
The ER and be seen in the hospital.
All right, now what?
There's
I want to show you
there's your
something.
driver's license back.
Thank you.
Come on over here.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Hang on. You gotta hold me up.
Why do we have to hold you up?
Because I'm shocked. Me.
Yeah, you can't drive this car.
God damn.
Do you have a coat or anything in your car that could keep you warm for right now?
Son of a bitch.
I need to ask you a question, okay? Did you have any alcohol to drink tonight?
No.
You didn't have any alcohol?
No.
Any narcotics of any sort? Any
Oh
drugs?
no, I don't do
Do you take any prescription medication?
No.
You don't take any prescription
No.
medication?
No.
Okay.
Oh my god, motherfucker. Oh no, son of a bitch.
Hey, what are you doing trying to start your car? It's not going anywhere. Where are your keys at?
I don't have keys.
How?
I have a fob.
My sincere apologies for assuming
Look,
you had keys.
I'm serious.
Do you
man.
where's your fob?
I have to go home. I have a puppy at
Where
home.
is your fob?
I'm sorry.
Where's
I
your
don't
fob?
mean to touch you. It's right here.
Let me see your key
Come
fob.
on, man. You guys. Come on. What the hell
Thank
happened?
you. I'm going to hold on to this for now, okay?
Just for now.
Yes. Well, no. But are you taking this one?
Yeah.
There's the keys. She's trying to drive it.
I just want to go home.
Okay, you're not free to leave right now until we get this all sorted out.
It's okay. I get it. Oh.
Hey, ma'am, what are you trying to do? You're
I'm
trying to start it again?
No, I'm trying to get rid of this.
Well, you were just trying to start it and then
Oh, I didn't know.
your keys.
I don't know how this works.
Do you take prescription meds for anything? I'm not related to this at all. I'm just generally curious. Do you
No.
take
No.
you don't take prescription meds? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you consume alcohol at all? At any?
Perhaps the most alarming moment so far. Even after repeated explanations, she still doesn't appear to understand why police are on scene. Imagine being involved in a major intersection crash and having no recollection of it minutes later. That's exactly why officers are taking extra time before making any decisions.
Time?
Yeah, on occasion.
Okay. What were you out and about doing tonight?
I was going to get cabbage.
You're going to get cabbage?
Cabbage and
Why don't you come on over here? I'm going to have you sit in the back of this car where it's
Nope,
warm.
I ain't getting out.
Well, they're towing your car
Why?
because you can't drive your car.
No, that's okay. I can just go across the street.
I'm asking you to sit in the car where it's warm,
No.
okay? It's either sit on the side of the road or sit in the car.
I'll sit on the side of the road.
Okay, that's all right. You go sit over here. Just on this corner here, then. Brooke, go stand. They have
I
to tow your
can't.
car. Brooke, out, please. Out.
Hang on.
I've given
I have
you a
4
lot of
rods
time.
in my neck.
I understand that,
I
but it's
have
time
4
for you to go either stand on the side of the road or it's time to sit in the back of the squad and stay warm until I get you your paperwork. What do you want to do?
Paperwork for what?
Why are we? Do you know what happened tonight?
No,
You have no idea why we're in this situation and why you're sitting here in the car talking to a police officer.
that's correct. No.
You were in a car crash. I've told you this multiple
What
times.
the hell happened with that guy?
The car got towed just like yours is. So, are you going to sit in the back of the squad or are you going to stand on the side of the road?
Where can I be warm?
In the back of the squad.
Are you arresting me?
I would have told you that you're under arrest if I was going to place you under arrest. You're not under arrest. You're just not
No.
free to leave right now because we have to finish our investigation. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go stand over here.
You won't let me.
Yes, let's go.
Easy.
I'm not pulling.
I just don't
All
want
right,
to.
just over in the back. She cool. Sit back of your squad. Actually, you know what? Let's go over here. Let's go to this one. Let's go back over here.
You guys are scaring me.
Just have a seat in the back. You're not under arrest. You're just
Please.
simply staying warm. That's all you're doing.
That's all I
Everything
would
is audio and video recorded. Just go ahead and have a seat, okay?
Now we're at the breath test, and the tension is rising fast. Officers are giving multiple opportunities to provide a valid sample, but cooperation is becoming increasingly difficult. From a legal standpoint, these moments matter because every action, every refusal, and every instruction is being documented on camera.
Okay?
Yes.
All right, I'll be right back to talk to you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay,
No!
what's that? Hold on, stop. No, sit down for a sec.
Hang on. No, I need my wallet.
I have it.
No, this is not right.
Here, hold on. Do me a favor.
This is not right.
Please do not touch me, okay?
I'm sorry.
What I want you to do is I want to take a deep breath in and blow on this. Blow. I'll hold it. Ready? Deep breath in like you're blowing a balloon. Blow. No. Oh, should work.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Is that no?
Told you.
Try one more time. Keep going until
I told you I'm okay.
Keep going until I tell you to stop. Ready? Blow. Okay.
I'm legal.
We're gonna try this one more time. I'll hold it.
You already did it.
A nice steady blow. They're not gonna leave yet.
I'll make sure.
Ready? I'll hold it. Yes. Ready?
Yes.
Keep big blow in, nice and steady. Steady. Blow.
I'm not intoxicated.
You're not. You gotta listen. Last chance, and that's it. And then I'm gonna
I
make my.
already did it.
And then I'm gonna make my decision. Okay. So last chance.
You already have your decision, sir.
Deep breath in.
Look.
Just listen to him.
Listen to what I am saying.
Listen to him.
Deep breath in
I
and
want
blow.
my car.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Deep breath in, and do not stop until I tell you. Blow. Harder.
All right. Fine.
All right.
Done. We're good.
That didn't work.
Am I okay or not?
No, you're not.
What?
Do you want to try again, or do you want to?
Why are you serious? Why are you fucking kidding me?
I'm trying to understand and make a sound decision on whether or not you are safe to move on from here.
I just want to move on.
Okay, so you don't want to provide a breath sample.
Ew, that's gross.
I know it's gross. All right, do me a favor. Turn off the chains behind your back. You're in the rest of the
What? No.
Do not resist, please.
No.
Do not resist.
Please don't do this.
Do not
No.
resist. Do not resist.
Oh my God, no.
Just keep your hands behind your back, please.
No. All right, both of
You're
you.
going to get an additional charge for resisting if you don't stop. Please stop.
Gentlemen, I'm not resisting.
Well, you were.
Sir.
Walk with me, please. We're going to go this
You're
way.
going to have to drag me.
I would prefer not. You're grown up. We're all grown ups.
I'm 63 years old.
I know. So let's act like it, please.
Don't do this. Gentlemen.
Have a seat, please.
No.
Just so you know, everything's audio, video recorded, okay? Go ahead and have a seat.
I understand.
Have a seat, please. Have a seat, please. You said you're 63 years old, 62. Act like it. Sit down, please. I don't know what you think is going to happen next other than you sitting down. I don't know why you're acting like this.
Because I'm scared.
I understand. You have every right to be scared, given a situation that
Why
you've been
don't you
in.
just give me a ride home and
Because
just
that's not going to
call
happen.
it
Have a
day?
seat, please. Sit down. Have a seat. Sit down, please. Put your feet in, please. Let's act like an adult here.
The final outcome shows how serious this incident became. What started as a traffic crash ended with DUI charges, injuries to other drivers, and a criminal case. Thankfully, no one suffered life-threatening injuries. But this footage is a powerful reminder that impaired driving can change lives in a matter of seconds.
Please.
Don't do this.
You're going to get a resisting charge as well.
No!
Yep.
I don't want to. No, I'm not resisting.
Well, you were.
I
All
don't
right, everything's
take
audio,
it
video
that
recorded.
way.
Everything is
Wait,
audio, video
don't-
recorded back
Wait. Don't take it that way. I'm not being
All right, go ahead. I see you took your seatbelt off. Go ahead and step out for me, please. The more that you listen and work with us,
I understand.
let me talk.
That's not a problem.
The sooner you will be out, okay? So let's go this way,
Yes,
please,
sir.
down this hallway.
All right. I have a problem with this.
They're going to come off. They're going to
I
come
know,
off.
but I have a problem walking with you.
You say you have a problem walking, but you haven't given us an explanation. If you put your forehead on the wall, it helps you from not falling over.
I don't have any.
I
just gotta search you.
No,
No, it's fine. I get it. No, it's fine. I just don't want to be here.
I don't
Who
want to.
does, right?
Correct.
Everything's fine.
Alright, face me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you put your fingers in your mouth and go up your gums?
Hey.
Up and down.
Uh.
Up and down. Under
Here,
your tongue.
can you grab my wallet? It's in my cup holder.
We're going to take off jewelry. So your glasses.
I don't have jewelry.
I don't have my wallet. He's got my wallet. Alright. Go ahead. Can you go through here, please?
Oh my God.
Go through here and
You
to your right.
guys, are you serious? To your right.